Hi guys, welcome back to Robertson's Belly Acres. We're out here at the farm today trying to get some stuff loaded up, finished loading up the house, and thought we better come out here and see about digging up our sweet potatoes. So let's see what Rachel's finding here.
I'm so excited. So obviously we don't know what we're doing. And there were 6 plants. Oh, look. Oh. And we pulled the vines. I'm here to tell you they love this sandy loam. All these vines, and we went to pull them back and they broke off at the plants. So now it's kind of a game of not hide and go seek, but like Easter
Treasure
egg
hunt.
Yeah, Easter egg hunt type thing. So I think we're going to have to come and just dig it all up. But so far it's a pretty good harvest. And then Rusty found some too. It's so exciting.
All right guys, so today is Monday. We have to be completely off the farm and out of the house by Wednesday.
At 5:30.
At 5:30 p.m. Central Time. So what we're going to do, we're going to have to miss our live tonight. So if you guys will continue to stick with us, we will be updating as we go through this. But again, we will not be live tonight, but we will be back again live on next Monday. Until next time, we'll see you later. So we got some decent sized sweet taters out of there.
They smell so good. All right, guys. Till next time. God bless.